This guided meditation will help you open and activate your third eye, allowing you to deepen your awareness and intuition. Sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, in a chair, with your feet flat on the ground, or lie down if that's more comfortable. Gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to relax with each exhale. Begin to bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort and gently release them with each breath. Focus on your feet first. Feel them relax, then move up through your calves, knees, and thighs. With each breath, allow your muscles to soften and let go of any tightness. Bring your awareness to your hips, lower back, and belly. Breathe into these areas, allowing them to soften with each inhale and relax deeper with each exhale. Move your attention up through your chest, shoulders, and arms. Let go of any lingering tension, breathing deeply and calmly. Now, bring your focus to your neck, face, and head. Relax your jaw, soften your eyes, and feel your scalp release any tension. Now, gently bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural flow of your inhale and exhale. With each inhale, feel the energy entering your body, filling you with calmness and clarity. With each exhale, release any stress, worries, or distractions. As you continue to breathe deeply, set an intention for this meditation. It could be something like, I open myself to my inner wisdom. I trust my intuition. I am ready to see beyond the physical realm. Take a moment to feel the energy behind this intention and allow it to resonate deeply within you. Now, gently bring your attention to the area between your eyebrows, the center of your forehead. Imagine a small, glowing light at the center of this space. This light might be white, violet, or any color that resonates with you. See it growing brighter with each breath you take. With every inhale, imagine this light expanding and growing stronger. With every exhale, feel it becoming clearer, more focused, and more vibrant. Visualize a soft, indigo or violet-colored flower, like a lotus, at the center of your forehead. See the petals gently opening, revealing the deep, quiet wisdom within. As the petals open, feel a sense of clarity and deep awareness awakening within you. The opening of this flower symbolizes the activation of your third eye, allowing you to access higher states of consciousness, intuition, and inner vision. Silently or out loud, repeat these affirmations to deepen the activation of your third eye. I trust my inner vision. I open my mind to higher wisdom. I am connected to my intuition. I see beyond the physical world. I am open to spiritual insights. As you continue to breathe, allow any sensations or insights to arise naturally. You may feel a tingling or a sense of expansion in the area of your third eye. Trust whatever you experience. If you feel no physical sensation, know that your third eye is still being activated on a subtle level. Imagine that a subtle, intuitive energy is flowing freely between your third eye and the universe, allowing you to receive messages, guidance, and wisdom. You may also visualize a stream of light connecting your third eye to the heavens, creating a clear channel for divine wisdom to flow through. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the sensations in your feet, your hands, and your heart. Take a deep, grounding breath and gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, open your eyes slowly. Take a moment to integrate any experiences or insights you may have received during this meditation. Before you end your practice, take a moment to reflect on the experience. You may want to write down any insights or feelings you received during the meditation. These could be subtle, so trust your intuition and write down whatever comes to mind. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful content. See you next time.